SK7 multi-purpose cleaner. It's a high-power cleaner, a complete non-toxic, safe for animals and human life as well as the environment. Completely harmless, no acids, no ammonia, no nothing inside this that harms anything or eats or enters into anything. We've been using this for 8 years. I want to demonstrate. If you want to test a degreaser, this is what you do. You take, I've got some sunflower oil from this SK7. Undiluted, just as it comes. This is the bottle it comes in with a foaming nozzle. I'm going to throw some inside here, say about a quarter. Now watch this. I'm going to throw this in my hand. Some of it in my hand. This is about 70% to 80% oil with a bit of SK7 degreaser multi-purpose cleaner in here. Harmless in human life and hands. Look at this. Looks like a pizza. Look how it burns this off. This is now all everything mixed together. This is what it does. It makes it squeaky clean without any residue. Now, look, I don't wash it inside here. I can if I want to, but I'm not going to. Now listen to this. Squeaky clean. 1SK7 multi-purpose cleaner. I want to show you the 7. Here's the foaming nozzle. This is what it comes with. Get one, test this, see the result for yourself. Amazing. SK7 multi-purpose cleaner. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you very much.